So this time, I'm going to Pampanga just to experience yung clay making or the pottery. So dito naman, I'm just waiting for my food. So lunchtime na ako nakapunta. So siguro mga around 10. Pero hindi pa talaga siya lunchtime. Pero nag-early lunch na rin ako. And then here, talaga umuulan talaga nung time na yan. But here I am. Nakapunta na rin ako finally sa pottery, and this is the experience. So it's just me here trying to enjoy yung stay ko, yung experience ko for pottery. And hindi lang ito yung pwede nyo matry. Meron silang mga workshop, meron din silang fishing dito, meron ding ceramic, and so many things na pwede nyong itry here in Pampanga. The trio is back! Masasabi mo na pumunta kami dito? Wala.
Nag-grab pa kami, naligaw.
So in here naman, Noreen and I just got invited by our friend si Rean kasi ito ay birthday celebration ng anak na kanyang sister na si Ate Rich. So thank you for inviting us here po. And also, ayan, mag-enjoy din kami to sing sa karaoke. And then later on, maglalaro kami ng billiard. So makikita nyo kung gano'ng kakayotic yung laro namin. And then after that, hindi na namin na-film pero nag-swimming kami after billiards. I don't know bakit ang gulo namin dito pero sobrang saya namin during that time. Hey guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Civil Service Commission NCR. Hey guys, we're here at CR ng Civil Service Commission sa NCR branch office ganyan. So I'll be here lang. I'll wait for 1 to 2 hours para ma-release na yung certificate ko. Pinakabahan ako sana talaga mas mapabilis yung certificate natin. So yun lang. I'll update you guys. Bye! So we just got out of the Civil Service Commission National Office. Tama ba? National Office? Nakalimutan ko na. Yeah, National Office. Guys, nakuha na natin yung ating certificate sa Civil Service. Kaya. Kasi nag-vlog tayo maambon na res. Pero, dahil na sa mga nakakakita. So, ikitago na natin. Ito baka ma-upload pang.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, finally I got my civil service certificate. So, it explains kasi na nag-graduate eligible tayo because of yun, nung graduate tayo is may Latin honor which is cum laude. Kaya ipapasok na ng mga requirements and also hindi ko na kailangan mag-exam for civil service exam. Ganon. So, I just needed to pass all the requirements and which I did earlier. Kaya pinakita ko sa inyo. Grabe, ang tagal ko inantay to guys. As in, kasi I remember parang nag-set ako ng appointment last year. Tapos, hindi natuloy kasi may conflict ata ako ng requirements. Tapos nung this year naman, February, hindi ako mabot sa day ng kasahan kasi nga hindi nire-release sa register yung parang something na magpo-prove na I am, yun, gumaduate ako ng Latin. Tapos, then this few months, then I forgot din mga, like hindi ako nakapunta sa appointment ko din kasi nga, may conflict na ata ako, I don't know, pero siguro may conflict ako sa schedule. But yun, kanina, finally, yun, nakapunta rin tayo sa set appointment ko and that's why, I got this! Thank you, Lord! Yun lang naman, so hindi pakita yung pagmumukha natin sa, yun lang guys, update. Hi guys! I guess first one to come on guys! Welcome to the vlog!
3, go! Nagsusumpa kami, ikaw!
Wow! You're so
Wala ka tayo! Ayan, thank you po!
Guys, say hi! Yeah! Isa ito sa mga pinagsisihan ko. Nagpakulot ako pero walang nangyari. Then after that, I went to SM Fairview for us to have our dinner. We celebrated our birthdays together. Say hi! Kaganapan ko ng July. this point naman, I went to the clinic for my adjustment. Quick mirror shot muna dyan. Dahil bagong adjust tayo, kakain tayo. What? Guys, kasi nakakaya. We're here at Fairview Terraces. I'm craving for tteokbokki and fish cake. Let's see what we will have. And there it is. Food court. Let's go there. At nanalo ang fish cake. Let's try fish cake. Wala kasi loob natin kumain agad after adjustment. For the tree. For only 59 pesos. Ang sarap ng coffee nila. Dash Cafe Coffee. Dash Coffee. Sa Fairview Terraces Food Court. The best. Wow, ganda. The best. Ang usapan, adjust lang. Bakit kumain? Ay, ano ito? Ang ganda. Hi, B! Hello! Pero ang ganda ngayon, guys. Hindi siya maulan. Diba recently grabe yung bagyo, pero like maaraw ever since umaga. Hi guys! Nag-grocery kami ni Mama. Video yan! Naku ha!
Hi.
Ano? Pili ko ito.
Ma,
Ganito.
ayun pa
Ito
pa
na.
mga ganyan eh.
Ayaw niya ng ganito.
Gusto niya mga ganyan, spray.
Ganyan na lang kanya.
Hello! Hello!